What is up, everybody? So I just finished getting ready for my audition today, and I just wanted to pop in and tell you guys that when I get back from my audition, we are tackling this mess that I have here of all of my makeup brushes that I cleaned, and I am going to do a makeup cleanup because this is too much makeup. I got to get rid of things that are old. I want to like reorganize this. I think I want this over here. I just got to clean this up, and you know, it's really important to make sure that your space is looking presentable. I also want to organize like my other beauty stuff, like my skincare and my hair stuff. So this is going to be an organized, you know, organize with me type of vlog. I am delirious because I'm actually really tired. I was last night I was really tired when I was trying to like work on my lines. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go to bed. I drank that tea. I read an article on my phone, which I don't think I should have read an article on my phone because as tired as I was, I couldn't sleep. And then I finally did, and I woke up around like 8ish, which wasn't my goal. I was like, I'm gonna be up at 6, so I'm gonna get a workout in, I'm gonna edit. That didn't happen, but I did get up, make myself some coffee, and worked on my lines. So I am going to finish getting ready so I can get out of here at a decent time and not be rushing to my appointment. And then when I get back, we will start organizing and cleaning out our makeup and all of our beauty stuff. Anyway, I'll catch you guys when I get back from my That was a lot better than I thought it would go. Okay, I'm back from my audition. I'm hot and I'm sweaty. Before we get into cleaning out our makeup and getting everything organized and, you know, getting our life together in the beauty department, let me show you what I got from the beauty supply store. I didn't even get a chance to show you. Consider this like some curly hair essentials. Some of these things, not all. One of my favorite oils to use is the Tropic Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I love this stuff. Why am I doing this? This really helps for hair growth and thickening your hair and all of that stuff. So I like to use this primarily at night. I section my hair off and I really rub it into my scalp. This is just a really good oil to use. So love this one. Pick it up. I also like to use this in my little DIY eyelash eyebrow serum thing. If you guys want to see how I do that, let me know in the comments and I will film that during one of the vlogs. We need a satin bonnet to sleep with at night. This one is a day and night cap, which I've never really had a day and night cap. I don't really think there's a difference. I like that it has this wide band. I typically don't have a problem with my bonnets coming off unless I stretch them like a fool and then they don't stay on. Clips, just to like put my hair up out the way when I'm like doing my makeup or I'm hot like right now. I don't have a clip on. I have this thing, by the way, which I was looking for and I could not find it. This one is a little bit stretched out. These are the little scrunchy things that I like to use in my hair. I only loop it around twice, which is why it's stretched, when I'm doing like a high bun or like the pineapple, and I don't tie anything tight either. That's it, just one little thing, and it looks really cute. I like it. Okay, along with some scrunchies, I found these. It's this fabric material. They seem pretty sturdy. This reminds me of what the girl that did my hair for the SAG Awards, Saisha, she put something similar like this in my snake bun, and I really liked it because it didn't pull at my hair. I didn't have any breakage whatsoever, and so yeah, hopefully that works out for me. And then the other things that I got were just one lip liner, because I'm obsessed with like nude lip liners. This one is Rosy Nude from Kiss. It's actually the one I was using in the vlog yesterday. I don't know if you guys could tell. I'm wearing it right now too. And then just like a dark brown eyeliner for my bottom. Then I got this little manicure corrector pen because I'm the worst at painting my nails. I was just about to start cleaning everything and then I realized I had to step out. I hate when I have to step out after I've gotten comfortable, put my house clothes on. My hair was looking a hot mess, but I need a paper towel and some other stuff so we can clean this damn makeup. I'm already hot because this room just gets so freaking hot, but let's get started. I'm not gonna handle the boys' side because I always do that and it always ends up looking a mess, but I'm gonna focus on mine. So what I'm gonna do is go through all of my makeup, and I'm gonna put anything that is really, really old or that I just don't like or doesn't work for my skin inside of this little box. Hopefully it will fit in there, but yeah, let's go. Little tip for you guys: on the back of products, not all of them unfortunately, but a lot of them, there's this little thing right here that you see opened up, as you can see, that says 6M, right? And what that means is that I have 6 months from the date that I opened this little thing for me to use it before it like is not good anymore. So all I did was like this top shelf, and look at everything that I already have in my box. Most of these things I barely made a dent in them, but they are expired, so I'm going to get rid of them. It pains me, but it's got to be done. Still cleaning. This turned into a deep cleaning day for the entire freaking apartment, which I wasn't expecting. I was thinking clean out makeup, go through beauty stuff, and get organized. But I guess we're just gonna do everything. I'm taking a mini break so that I can eat. I am tired, I am sore, I am sweaty. It is getting later than I thought it would be, so this is probably gonna be up late. But I'm gonna get it up tonight because I'm determined. I am looking a sweaty mess, you guys. I'm still at it. I'm technically not done, but I'm gonna show you guys what I've done so far, and then probably just end this here. I'm sorry it wasn't more exciting, but I went from I'm only gonna clean my side and my makeup to cleaning the entire dresser, and then somehow that turned into let's do a deep clean of the entire apartment, which I prefer to do earlier in the day, but whatever, it is what it is. I moved my acrylic organizer on this side. I think it's just better because the way that it was before, when it was on this wall and then the bags were over here, I always had to move the bags to open up the drawers because I just didn't have any space. Here's better. These are 2 foundations that I wanted to love from Wet n Wild, but they are not a good match. Brushes I'm keeping over here. This is, hold on. Babe, what happened? Look at the boy, he's tired. He's over it. Don't worry, I am too. I am too. I'm tired too. Here's my stackable tray that I told you guys about. On top are my favorite foundations, sponges over here, eyelashes, and other lip glosses here. And then down here, other palettes. This is my Frida Kahlo collection, which I really, really love. Also got rid of some old perfume, which I really don't have a lot of because I'm not a perfume girl. I prefer body sprays. Fun fact about me, but these are some special ones, so I'm keeping it. This is that little round thing that I told you guys about yesterday. I still have more products to put in there, but I have in like my bags that I have to go through. So that's there. And I know I said I wasn't going to do the boys side, but I did do the boys side. And this is how it's organized. As you can see, he's clearly a Tom Ford cologne guy. So that is done. I ended up just cleaning my desk a little bit, so nothing really much to say here. My laptop, it's in the case. A Happy Planner, which I love. These are my studio headphones. They sent them to me to try, and I really, really like them. I think this is such a cute little design. Oh, by the way, you guys, this is a nice little travel case that I got from Amazon, and I keep all of my essentials in here. So if I'm ever gonna go work out at a coffee shop or I'm going to Long Island, everything is in here. This is my external hard drive. This is my Moken adapter for my laptop because the 2018 model does not come with USB. So this guy has everything that you could need. SD cards, chargers go in here. My battery I'm leaving out because I need to charge it, but yeah, that's my little guy that I like to travel with. That's it. That's all I have to say. In terms of makeup, the boy and I are going to continue, but I'm ending this here because I'm tired and I would love to take a shower. He's on the phone. As you can see, the sun has set. That's how long I've been going at it. I'm ending this here. Sorry it wasn't more eventful. It is what it is. Sometimes, you know, what you have planned doesn't really work out, but I hope that you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.